68 years of nonstop hiccuping. Imagine that being your life. Charles Osborne holds this unbelievable record, turning a simple reflex into a relentless challenge that began in 1922 and didn't stop until 1990. His hiccuping spree started unexpectedly while attempting to weigh a hog, and despite visiting countless doctors and trying numerous remedies, nothing could bring him relief. This incredible hiccup marathon saw him hiccup an estimated 430 million times, reshaping his daily life in ways most of us can't fathom. Can you even begin to picture the endurance and patience it took to live with a hiccup every few seconds for nearly 7 decades?